Welcome to the Category Input List tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create and edit categories, such as surface cover, for sampling protocols. For more information about creating protocols, please see the Creating Protocols tutorial. The Category Input List allows the user to customize a suite of specific categories for one or more sampling protocols. Let's see how it's done.
On the menu toolbar, select Setup, then Lists, and the List Manager window will open. In the List Manager window, select Category Input from the List Type column. The user can create a new list or import an existing list. To import an existing list, select Import, browse to the file, select Open, then click Save. To create a new list, click New. Enter a name and description if desired. The default category type is Ground Surface Categories. To change the default category type, select it, and a drop-down will appear with more category type options. Select the desired category type, then click Save.
To edit a category name list, select the list and the Members tab will become available. Select the Members tab to view the available categories. Select a category name under the Available column, then select the right arrow icon and the category name will be added to the selected column. To remove a category name, select the category to be removed from the selected column, click the left arrow icon and the category will be moved to the available list. Category names can only be moved one at a time with the single arrow button or all at once with the double arrow button.
To add a new category name to the available list, click the Add icon, and the Add Edit window will appear. In the Category Name row, enter the name of the new category. In the Abbreviation row, enter how you would like the category name to be displayed in the VGS Field Input view. Add a description if desired, and click Save. Scroll down to the new category name in the available column and add it to the selected column. If you would like to delete an added category name, select the category name and click the Delete icon. Default category names included with VGS software cannot be deleted. To save all edits, click Save. If you would like to cancel all new edits, click the Cancel button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.